A hero's welcome was accorded to our lone Paralympic champion, Iliesa Delana, as he arrived back home today. Delana is earmarked to get a big cash bonus from the state tomorrow during official celebrations in the capital. Our team leader for sports, Satish Narayan, was on board the Air Pacific flight that brought Delana back home and filed this exclusive report.
And all the sons and daughters of Fiji, that we welcome our hero and Fiji's finest, Iliesa Delana. Can we have a round of applause?
Homebound from Sydney and VIP treatment accorded to our Paralympic hero, Iliesa Delana.
I cannot believe the hospitality, especially for Air Pacific. And I heard that there will be a big crowd back in Fiji. So to thank the Almighty for all these opportunities, maybe for all of hard working.
Delana met all passengers on board FJ914, something that he'll treasure for the rest of his life.
It's the first time for me, and seeing all these passengers on the same flight with me, shaking hand from different parts of the world, it's amazing, and all these kids having photographed with me, I think it's a memory for them and also for me.
Here at home, a rainbow salute awaited the aircraft. Fiji stood united to honor and welcome the F-42 high jump champ. Sports Minister Viliame Naupoto, representing the state, welcomed the Nandrala Nandronga men home.
Just thinking just to come down and have just a cup of tea and say hi, congratulations. Yes, this much, thank everyone, especially the government and everyone who is present here today.
The welcome ceremony was fit for a king, with many more waiting in the arrivals area, folk from all walks of life in Nandi to welcome home a hero. Students of the Nandi Special School stood guard of honor. The 27-year-old who created history with 1.74 meters jump last Monday, surely the center of attraction. Among the crowd, some of his very own to honor the national hero. Some surely to be inspired by his remarkable feat achieved in London. Top-notch treatment for the special man. Even the heavens gave its blessings with brief showers as Delana came out of the airport building. Satish Narayan, Fiji One News.